What is the magnitude of the net force on charge A due to the two charges B and C? All right, so we need some axes here. And I'm going to make my axes a little weird. It's going to go like this and like this. And you'll see why very shortly. All right, so we're going to have a force this way due to, or sorry, I drew that kind of poorly, this way due to charge C, and this way, nope, this way due to charge B. Now this is an equilateral triangle, meaning this angle here is 60, this is 60, this whole thing is 60, which means this whole thing is 60. And what basically we have to break this down into components. So this force here has a component like that, and it has a component like that. Actually, I'll do a different color to make it clearer. We have, so we'll call this the X and the Y axis. It doesn't really matter which one's which. So we have this like that. And we also have to break this force down into components. So we have the X component, and we also have the Y component. And you can see right here that this X component is going to cancel out with that one. But the purple components in the Y dimension are going to add together. And so you're going to end up with one force that has twice the length. I don't want to write over that answer, but it's going to look like that. And what is the length of this vector? That's what we're trying to figure out. So we know that this is 60 degrees here. We know that this is 60 degrees. This is also 60-degree angle right here, and this is a 60-degree angle. So what is the length of this vector? Well, that's Coulomb's law. So K, Q1, Q2, they're both just Q, so this becomes Q squared. And the distance between them is R, so that's R squared. So that's this hypotenuse right here, that's F. But we want to know this piece. So this is a right triangle, and this is the hypotenuse is F. So this is going to be F sine theta. And this component over here is also F sine theta. So that's going to be 2F sine theta. Now we have an equation for F, the magnitude of the force, Coulomb's law. That is 2 times K, Q squared over R squared times sine 60. Now sine 60 is the square root of 3 over 2. And so something is going to cancel out here. Yep, that 2 and that 2 cancel, giving us the square root of 3 times K Q squared over R squared. The answer is D. There we go.